Welcome to 30010 Whembly Circle in Menifee. Hi, I'm Deanne Dillard with Deanne Dillard Real Estate Group, brokered by eXp Realty. I want to share with you my latest listing. This hard-to-find 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is set on a large lot at the end of a cul-de-sac. Come on in, let's take a look. As you enter this beautiful home, you'll notice the high ceilings and also the separate living and dining room as you make your way through the open floor plan featuring a large family room. The gourmet kitchen is spacious and features plenty of cabinets in the storage with stainless steel appliances, double oven, and a large pantry. The inside laundry area is huge and features lots of storage. Also included is a downstairs bedroom with a full bath, perfect for visiting guests. Upstairs, you'll find a loft that's a great extra space for many activities such as the kids in their video games or maybe even a family movie room. The master bedroom features a huge master bathroom with separate shower and tub and a very large walk-in closet. Also included in this home is a reverse osmosis soft water system and 36 solar panels with a large backup battery, and both are paid in full. The backyard includes a large covered patio with a concrete deck and areas for artificial turf. This home is zoned for the best schools in the neighborhood, which includes Liberty High School and the Harvest Hill STEAM Academy. If you'd like more information or for a showing, give me a call, or you can message me here. Again, I'm Deanne Dillard with Deanne Dillard Real Estate Group, brokered by eXp Realty.